So hello guys, welcome back to my channel ZRK Classes. In the last video, we have discussed about the trivial topology, non-trivial topology. In the trivial topology, we have discussed about the discrete topology and indiscrete topology. In this video, we are going to learn about the comparison of topology. What is the necessity for learning the concept, the comparison of topology? Because if we are provided two topologies, say we are provided with the two topology on any non-empty set, then and we have to say which is the stronger topology and which is the weaker topology on the non-empty set. For that purpose we study the comparison of topology. Let me write its formal definition. Let x be uh, x be a, x be any non-empty let x be any non-empty set x be any non-empty set and tau1 comma tau2 be two topologies. You can take any number of topologies, be two topologies, on x, be topologies on x, two topologies on x, and if tau1 is contained in tau2. So this symbol stands for the contained, means the tau1 is the subset of tau2. Tau2 or tau2 is contained in tau1. Then we say that tau1 and tau2 are comparable are comparable and if tau1 is not contained in tau1 is not contained in tau2, also tau2 is not contained in tau1, then we say tau1 and tau2 are not comparable. They are not comparable topologies. They are not comparable. Let us discuss about one example. Let x be the set A, B and C. X be the set A, B and C, and tau1 be the empty set, the set X, empty set and the set X. Tau2 be the empty set, the set X singleton A, be the topologies on X. Then discuss about the comparison. Then discuss about the comparison of topology. So solution. So we are given X is the set A, B and C. Tau1 the empty set X, and tau2 the empty set, the set X singleton A are the topologies. You can verify that it's obvious one, because the empty set and the set X, they will this collection will be a topology on X, and tau2 will be also a topology on X. Are the topologies on X. We can observe that we can observe that each member we can observe that each member of tau1, that is the empty set and the set X are the members of they are the members of tau2. They are the members of tau2, and they are the members of tau2. So then we can write, write tau1 is contained in tau2. Tau1 is contained in tau2. uh, Tau1 is contained in tau2. um, Tau1 is contained in tau2. Therefore, 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 tau1 and tau2 are comparable. They are comparable. So this follows from the definition, that is, look here. So here you can see, if tau1 is contained in tau2 or tau2 is contained in tau1, then we can say tau1 and tau2 are comparable. They are comparable. So the tau1 is contained in tau2. Therefore, I have written tau1 and tau2 are they are comparable topologies. They are comparable topologies. They are comparable topologies. Topologies. And let me discuss and let me write a question. Let me write a question. Let me write a discuss about a question. If X is any non-empty set, if X is any non-empty set, whether indiscrete topology and discrete topology are comparable. So this is the question. So solution. In the question they have given X is any non-empty set. Given X is any non-empty set. So let X be the set containing two elements A and B. Tau1 and tau2. Tau1 and tau2 be the indiscrete topology, and discrete topology on X respectively. So let me take tau1. It is the indiscrete topology, means it is containing only two elements, the empty set and the set X. And tau2, it is the discrete topology, means it is the set of all possible collection of sets of X. That will be the empty set, the set X, singleton A, singleton B. So this is the tau2. We can observe that each member of tau1, that is the empty and the set X, are the members of tau2, therefore tau1 is contained in tau2. Then we say tau1 and tau2 are comparable, are comparable. Hence indiscrete, hence indiscrete topology, and discrete topology, discrete topology on any non-empty set, are comparable. They are comparable. So this was the answer to my question. What was that? What is that question? If X is any non-empty set, whether in discrete topology and discrete topology are comparable. So we come to the solution that hence in discrete topology and discrete topology on any non-empty set are comparable. So comparable. So let me write one example. So let me discuss one about an example. If X is the set 1 comma 2 comma 3 and tau 1 is with the empty set, the set X singleton 1, and tau 2 be the collection, the empty set, the set X, the singleton 1, singleton 2, the set 1 comma 2. They are the obviously they are the topology. Then which one is the which one is the weaker topology and stronger topology? Then which one is the weaker topology and stronger topology on X? So solution. So what is the given thing? So given X is the set 1 2 3 and tau 1 is the empty set, the set X and singleton 1 and tau 2 is the empty set, the set X singleton 1 singleton 2 and the set 1 comma 2. We can observe that tau 1 is contained in tau 2. Here you can see the empty set, the set X and the singleton 1, they are the members of tau 2. So tau 1 is contained in tau 2. So therefore tau 1 and tau 2 are comparable. No doubt, tau 1 and tau 2 are comparable. Topologies. They are comparable topologies on X. Since tau 2 is containing tau 1, which means that tau 1 is weaker. Tau 1 is weaker topology than tau 2 on X. That is tau 1 is a weaker topology on X, and tau 2 is stronger topology on X. So this was the necessity for learning about the comparison of topology. We can say by the comparison of the topology, we can say that which one is the stronger one and which one is the weaker one topology on any non-empty set. So I think it's enough, guys. If you are having any doubts, please comment me in the comment box, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for my channel. Thank you.